Welcome to another Ready or Not tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mod. All right. First up, go ahead and go to Nexus Mod. Now here in the search bar, just type in Ready or Not and you'll be landed to this exact page. All right. Say, for example, I wanted to download this particular mod. All right. And when we scroll down under description, there's a installation steps right here. First one, download the file, which we'll do later. Extract the file to this directory. Ready or Not content packs, and just launch the game. All right, so what we're going to do is just download this one. Go ahead over to files. Now scroll down and click on manual download. Click on this one right here and just click on slow download as the premium ones is paid. All right, as you can see here, there's a download page. I'm just going to hit on download and yours might be different. You'll be able to see your downloads right here at the top right. Just go and click on that or wait for the process to finish. Then just go ahead over to open folder. All right. So what we're going to do is just extract the files right here. I'm just going to extract it. Now cut this one or copy. It depends on you. Now it says here again, go back to description. We'll go ahead over to Ready or Not content and packs. The easiest way to go there is just by right clicking on Steam. Now go to library. All right. Locate Ready or Not. Click, then right click, then manage, and browse local files. All right. In here, Ready or Not, double click. Now content, double click. And again, packs right here, just double click. Now in this folder, just click on a blank space, then right click and hit on paste. All right. Now there we have our mod. Now it says basically here, just go ahead and launch the game and you're good to go. And as you can see here in the game itself, we have the option to click on mods. Just wait for it. And as you can see here, there are a ton of mods right here that you might want to use. All right. That's basically how we do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.